Hi guys, Splash Tech here, and my Ancient Origins booster box still hasn't arrived. It's really annoying. So I've got another 3 Roaring Skies booster packs to open on this video. I'm hoping the Ancient Origins booster box. It's not just that. I think there's an Elite Trainer box of Ancient Origins and 2 different blister packs, both with coins, I think. Yeah. So expect that tomorrow, and yeah, I guess this will have to do again for now. So please like and subscribe and enjoy the video. So that's, oh god, open the first one up. There's 3 different arts again, which is good, but let's just open it up. These ones open up nice and easy, unlike yesterday's video when they didn't. Oh yeah, and for today's video, every time that I don't pull a holo, I'll have to eat one of these toxic wastes, a holo or an ultra rare. So I've never actually wanted to pull. Oh wait, I forgot to give you guys this code. There you go. But I've never wanted to pull a holo or ultra rare quite as much as today. So, and I'm really bad with sour sweets as well, so let's just hope that I get something. Chini, Cascoon, Ranger, Wingo, Latios Spirit Link, Latios, Ultra Ball, Trainer's Mail. Our reverse is a Troopus, and please be a holo. No, it's not a holo. That means I gotta have one of these bloody toxic wastes. If I could open this, just open these up. Oh god. Oh god. The toxic waste are a bit like, if you're from America, warheads, which are really bad, so I'm gonna have this. Oh, that's horrible. Okay, let's open this pack. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's awful. Okay, let's try it with this back. Oh my god. If this doesn't have anything good in it. Am I doing that right? Did I do that right? Yeah. Tailum, Electrike, Bagoon, Ninkata, P-Dove, Switch, Troopus, Tranquil. Our reverse is a Pelipper, and final card is an EX. It's oh my god, Hydreigon EX. That's awesome. Hydrogen. Wait, how do you say that? Why did I say hydrogen? I have no idea how to say that. Nice. Okay. Awesome. I don't have to have a bloody toxic waste. Okay, last pack. We got a Rayquaza on. Oh god, I can't. Why I cannot open these things for the life of me. There we go. Please have. Oh wait. Oh god. Just move the camera. There we go. Code for you guys. I'm not sure. Did I show you guys the other code? Yeah, there you go. Oh, this is a mess. Okay. Please be a holo or an ultra. Got a Ancient Trainer 2, Fletchling, Wampo, Tato, Electrike, Revive, Togetic. Oh, nice. Reverse is a Ancient Trait, Dragonite, And the final card is a please be a hollow. Oh, it's not a hollow. I gotta have another toxic waste. No. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have another toxic waste. What flavors are these? What is that? Just says, oh, it's blue raspberry. Great. Ugh. Open this up. Oh, God. Okay. That's all I gotta have now. Okay. Ugh. Alright. Oh, okay. Alright. Ugh. Ugh. Alright, cool. Well, this is the cop. I can't talk. This is the next card that we got. And thanks for watching. Bye.